Mr. Roboto is lying to us.
Tell me something I don't know.
I open-mouthed kissed a horse once.
Say what?
That's something you don't know. My spider sense is telling me that my father's still in this building. You keep a lookout. I'm gonna try and sneak in.
はい、
オースティン・パワーがこのビルの中にいる。
わかりました。
そうですね。じゃあまたはい。はい、もしもし。はい。大丈夫です。はい。問題ありません。はい。いやいや、それがさ。なんですよ。どうもありがとう、ミスターロバート。
おい、ちょっとこっち来いよ。あのバカ、どこにおしっこしてんだよ。
Come on, sugar.
There's Goldmember and Roboto.
Yes, very impressive. Put preparation aids into my Stubentransporter. Yeah. Was is?
You need this to turn the tractor beam. It's a gold key.
Schmut the bench.
Let's burn up. Hands up, Goldmember. It's payback time.
Sure, you can kill me, but then what happens to Austin Powers' Sfaja? Dad! Yes, and now he's going to have an unfortunate smelting accident.
Don't worry, Dad. I'm here to rescue you.
Ow! May I point out that the last time around you fell into an obvious trap. Now you're trying to save me instead of stopping Goldmember.
Oh, please. I'm not gonna let Goldmember get away.
Austin, Goldmember's getting away.
Ah. Hello. Aren't you going to introduce us, Austin?
Foxy, this is...
Powers. Nigel Powers. Is that eau de Flores you're wearing?
Yes, it is.
That's how a woman should smell. Especially one as beautiful as you.
My. Even in the face of danger, you live up to your reputation.
Get on with it. I've got an idea.
Your spy car's a Mini?
It's not the size, mate. It's how you use it. I would have found my way off that conveyor belt.
Fellas.
What? I saved your life!
Listen.
Should have been doing your job.
Fellas.
Oh, you're welcome, man.
Shut up and turn around, please!
Godzilla! It looks like Godzilla, but due to international copyright laws, it's not. Still, we should run like it is Godzilla! Though it isn't.
There's Goldmember.
Breaker, one-liner, this is Goldywang. All right.
10-4 there, Goldywang. This is Rubber Ducky. What's your 10-20, over?
I've got Preparation H in my rear and Smokey the Bear in my back door. We got our convoy, over.
Yeehaw! Copy that, you some-bitch pile of monkey nuts.
Open wide there, Rubber Ducky. I am entering your mouth now, over.
Great. Goldmember got away.
Now what?
I think it's obvious. We should take Dr. Evil's lair by force. You can be my backup, son.
Backup? Well, that's fairly condescending. Do you think Dr. Evil's gonna expect an attack? We should infiltrate his lair.
This ain't my first rodeo, cowboy. We need commandos, scuba, gadgets, for God's sake.
Well, I don't like to use gadgets. Outside the bedroom. Ah, thank you. Yes, outside the bedroom.
You know, I think being frozen damaged your brain.
Really? And how would you know? This is the most time that we've ever spent together since... ever.
What are you saying, son?
Oh, please.
What boy learned to drive a car with machine guns on it? Or had a helicopter you can fit in a knapsack? What about your Swedish nanny, Helga?
Oh, yes, Helga.
Let's say I didn't hire her for the cooking. She stayed on until you were 24. We were mates, you and I.
I didn't need a friend. I needed a father. Do you know I risked my life trying to save you, and you still don't give me any respect?
Respect? Oh, come on. If you got an issue, here's a tissue.
That is not funny.
Well, I suppose we'd better go our separate ways then.
Fine.